Alright guys, today we are going kayaking. Let's get it.
Shout out to Heck.
Shout out to Heck.
Shout out to Heck. What the heck?
Yo, what the heck?
Spin and check Heck.
Shout out to my boy Heck.
Oh, perdón. Gracias. Ten un buen día. Hola, buenas. Buenos días.
¿Para Uber?
Sí, uno Uber. Kia, una Kia. Oh, es allá. Gracias, hermano. Ten un buen día.
Igual, buen día.
Gracias. That's all right there. All right, our ride is here. It might be a little bit late to the kayaking meetup, but let's see what's up. DAJ. Hey, Jose. Hey, buenos días. Oh.
¿Cómo estamos?
Ah, todo bien, tranquilo. ¿Y usted?
Muy bien.
Muy bien, gracias a Dios, sí.
Correcto.
Sí. Ah, buenos días. Mireya.
¿Perdón?
Mireya.
Sí.
Hola. Belén.
Mucho gusto, María.
María.
Sí,
Se
mucho
fue.
gusto.
María se fue. María.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
buenos días.
Buenos días.
¿Todo bien?
Here I'm gonna need your name, date, and signature of both of you, please.
Mhm. Okay. Good.
Everything's good? Are we ready then?
Yeah. Let's roll.
Yeah, I'll go with
All right.
We can go like together, the three of us.
Yeah. Gretchen, you're a speed racer now. You're like gone. That's beautiful. All right, okay. I just had to look at it with my own two eyes, you know. Yeah, right. Oh, wait, come this way. There you go. Wow. Highly recommend Cabo, guys. Highly recommend it. Never taught me. So yo aprendiste solo. So es muy difícil porque es todo país es muy diferente. Y, yeah, it's like we went to Colombia. In Colombia they say listo, pero en Puerto Rico they say like bueno, tato, and in the Dominican Republic they say claro. Yeah, yeah. Got little patches and stuff.
I was actually looking at that bag. I really kind of like that, like this bag. I never did.
Oh, you never did?
Couldn't find her anything.
It's probably the better place to get it too, because this is like a more of like a local
Maybe I should
market.
get her like a bag. Which I thought it was an aquarium. I had it forever. I never seen like. I haven't
That's
seen
pretty cool.
really.
Here in the market, guys, in the market right by the beach. We bought a bag, bought some small things, and now we're gonna keep walking around.
You see these magnets?
Amigo,
That's
buenos
cool.
días.
Hola, buenos días, ¿qué tal?
Están aquí esperando para darle bueno, bonito y barato.
Gracias, amigo.
Mira, este es mi lunch, señorita. Pásale, take your time.
Bueno, they got the panchos from all the different teams. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It is thrilling. So
The Miami Heats, they got the Bears. Oh, they got more of a Packers, Raiders. Marina Mercado.
What is that?
Upstairs?
That monkey place out there.
Guys, we're out here. We just finished kayaking and we're in this little shopping area. And we're gonna keep shopping around. It's feeling good. The vibes are nice. Everybody's nice, respectful. Once again, guys, it's expensive here. All right, so don't come over here expecting to go to a gift shop, expecting to spend $3 and walk out with a whole basket full of items. I think so far we might have spent maybe like 50 bucks. No, I think altogether like 200 bucks already or something. There's 75 on one item. I think like 50 on another item, so.
What is this?
This looks fire.
It looks like they have food.
Yeah, it looks like a spot to
You
eat.
want to check it out? Maybe?
Hey, how's the food here?
Great.
I like
Great?
it.
Yeah?
It's pretty good.
All right,
Better
thank you.
portions actually than most of the places.
Than most places?
Yeah.
All right, thank you guys.
Yeah. Want to try here?
And they got a swimming pool too.
I don't know where to go.
You want to sit in the shade somewhere over there?
Yeah, should we just sit ourselves?
Yeah, let's go sit ourselves. We'll sit ourselves. You want to sit at this high top? All right, we're gonna check this spot out. I don't know the name of this place. I'll see if they got a menu or something. We'll see what it is, and then take a look.
my boobs are like.
Guys, some very simple dishes we got today. Just let's get like some acai. I've been craving acai since I've been here. You guys know when I'm traveling to a place that's hot, mucho calor, is very hot, I need to have something refreshing, something light, something healthy. Acai bowl is this thing. So got me an acai bowl. Let's see how it is. And what'd you get? You want to tell us what you got?
Calamari, always.
I would say so far, this acai bowl is pretty good. It's pretty solid. It's fresh. It has nuts in it, paws, strawberries, coconut shavings. It's missing maybe something like honey, or maybe some other depth of flavor to it. But so far, so good. I'm keep eating this. What do you think of your calamari?
Nice, good, crispy.
Nice, good, crispy. Can't really mess up calamari. Is there anything?
Can.
I mean, yeah, you can really mess up calamari. Yeah, you got me there. Anything special about the breading or anything like that, or no?
It's really crispy.
It's really crispy. Okay, all right then. All right, guys. So we're gonna enjoy our meal now. I'll give you guys my full review at the end of.
Co-working?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You can go
Todo
there.
allá es oficinas.
Solo just one.
Solo
The
just
last
one?
And
Yes.
there's 3 or 4 tables, and you put your laptop there.
Oh, okay. Listo. Guys, it's a vibe here. It's a really good vibe. ¿Qué es el nombre de ese monkey? Mayan
Monkey.
Mayan Monkey, guys. Mayan Monkey. Come here. You gotta come here. It's a really dope vibe. Really good people. Good food. Everybody here is pretty chill. The food here is good. Man, I gotta come back.
Do anything with the plates? Did you ask?
No, but a few things to note is that everything here is like basically free, guys. So you can use the kitchen and not have to pay. You can use the pool and not have to pay. I thought at first this was like a co-working space, and they do have an office that fits about 4 or 5 people in there. They have bathrooms here, they have restrooms here. You can come over here with your own food, cook your own food here, wash your own plates after yourself. You can get in the pool. They have an office here for those digital nomads. It feels like a digital nomad place. It feels like for those that are working remote, man, this is a good spot. Any other words? No? Alright guys. The food I had was good, really simple acai. I would give, what did I say the acai was? Did I say it was like a thing I'm gonna give it like I would say it's like a 6 out of 10. Could have had more flavor, maybe like a honey drizzle, or maybe some kind of an extra depth of flavor to it. Maybe a little bit more volume, maybe like 1 or 2 more fruits sliced and included in there. How's your calamari? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Around like a 7.5.
7.5, guys, 7.5. Alright guys, let's slide out of here. It's pretty dope, and they have their front desk area, I think, where they take, it's like a reception desk. Hola, buenas. They have retail, they have merch in there as well, so that's pretty cool. This looks like it's like a hotel / co-working space. Man, I love it here. This is actually pretty fire. I'm glad I walked over here, glad I checked this out. As you guys know, it's never the end, just the start of something else. Let's figure out where we're gonna go, what's up next, and on to our next adventure.